Welcome back to the channel. Professor Jason X here, where I talk about anything and everything. So for today in this video, I'm documenting small wins. So pagbigyan nyo na ako, we all treat our cars as investments. So I thought of sharing this video para makatulong din sa iba who are looking to protect their cars with a PPF. So in PPF, it is a paint protection film and it offers several benefits for cars and vehicles. And it reduces the need for frequent washing as it repels dust, dirt, and grime. And PPF also prevents scratches and rock chips kasi meron siyang self-healing properties. And ang warranty nito is around 5 to 10 years. It's perfect for protecting your car from UV rays, acidic contaminants, yung mga tain ng ibon, minor scratches, etc. So, yung PPF, it acts as a sacrificial layer, if I may say. So, of course, I think my reason for having a PPF would be very similar to most car owners, protecting your investment and asset. And in the future, if you want to resell your car, of course, you want to preserve its value by keeping the Casa paint intact. Sa line of work ko, my vehicle is really exposed to a lot of people since nasa school ako nag-work. Maraming mga bata, lalo na paglabasan or pasukan na, medyo wala silang pakialam, no? Kahit matamaan nila yung car ng bag nila na may mga zipper, may ballpen, anything na matutulis na parts. And from experience, talagang sa entire lifespan ng kotse, makikita mo marami na siyang mga swirls and scratches. Okay. And because of that, I thought of having my car paint protected. No? Thus, I availed this PPF. So yung PPF, this is from Carlori, which is based in Guangzhou, China. And yung company, it specializes on PPF and vinyl wrap. So as far as my research goes, the general feedback on PPF, including Carlori's, is really positive. As for the price, all in all, I spent roughly 50,000 for the entire car. And upon research, ito na yung pinakamura in my area. So marami na akong natanungan before I went into this shop. So nagre-range siya around 50 to 100,000. So again, do not quote me on that price. That amount may vary and depend on a lot of factors like the age of the car, gaano na ba katagal yung kotse, kasi kailangan pa bang i-repaint yan, i-buff, no? Kailangan kasi pagandahin muna yung pintura bago siya lagyan ng film. Since yung film is clear, what you would see underneath is yung actual paint. So, imagine mo, para kang nagpapalagay sa cellphone ng screen protector or tempered glass. So, bago siya lagyan ng tempered glass, mas maganda kung wala siyang gas-gas, walang cracks. So, I think huge factor sa discount sa car ko is that bago pa siya. So, wala pa siyang scratches, swirls, stone chips. Kaya, nakuha ko siya on that price. So apart from affordability, I chose VZ Underground. Ito yung name ng shop. Since matagal na sila in business and malapit lang siya sa residence namin. So na-check ko talaga yung gawa. No, napupuntahan ko siya. I spent roughly 3 days on having the entire car covered. So malapit lang siya sa residence namin. So pag may mga touch-ups, very easy lang na magpaayos. No? Very easy to contact. Ito I highly recommend. Meron pang free graphene coating yung sasakyan para talaga mas makintab siya. And then at the end, binigyan pa nila ako ng back to zero. So again, thank you so much VZ Underground for all of the freebies you give me. So check out their page on my description or my caption. So highly recommendable, super bait, super accommodating ng staff, maayos and pulido ang kanilang gawa. So that's about it. I hope you like this video, and if you have comments, suggestions, or questions, feel free to message me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next videos. Peace.